Hi everybody, Cody here. Today I'm going to try my hand at making Tina's beignets from The Princess and the Frog. Let's have some fun! First things first, I put some yeast in some warm water. Then I stir it up and set it off to the side. In another bowl I put sugar, butter, salt, cream, 1 egg, flour, more flour, some water, and then I add the yeast solution I mixed up earlier. Mix it all up until you get a dough. Then I cover the dough with a towel and set it off to the side. Now that has to rest for about 30 minutes. What can I do in 30 minutes? Okay, I didn't actually do that during the 30 minutes, I just thought it'd be funny. After it's rested, we'll cut it up into little squares and set it aside to rise. Unfortunately, they didn't rise. I think that was because I used very old yeast. But I decided to go for it and start the frying process. Make sure to flip your beignets over so they get evenly cooked on both sides. Once they're golden brown, scoop them out and put them on a drying rack. I didn't have any powdered sugar like the movie, so I just used cinnamon sugar and it was delicious. Thanks for watching! If you want to make beignets yourself, the link to the recipe is in the description. May God bless you and have a wonderful day.